Hello everyone out there. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is going to be about the dilemma that each and every student is facing right now of choosing best career option after class 12. So, here we are with the solution. Let's get into the video. The very first question that comes to every student's mind is what to do after completing their class 12. So, before going on to any conclusion, it is very necessary to know about different available courses and decide which one would be more suitable to you. Students, as we all know that the future scope of commerce is bright and the commerce stream jobs have the ability to provide high salary and career enrichment if you choose best career option in commerce, because commerce is a well structured field to start your career plans, and it has a lot of scope and advantages if taken correctly. Students, the basic agenda or idea behind this video is to provide you basic knowledge and information regarding different courses that may come as valuable to you. Students often find themselves in dilemma to select the best curriculum for their career plans. I would again like to suggest you all that you should first work on your interest, decide the career path, and then select the best career in commerce that agrees and goes well with your plan onward. So the best therapy to this is keep calm and keep your mind open. See guys, हमारा माइंड बिल्कुल पैराशूट की तरह है, और जब तक हम अपना पैराशूट यानी कि अपना माइंड नहीं खोलते तब तक हम स्मूथ लैंडिंग नहीं पा सकते हैं. Because as we know that most of the commerce stream jobs require on the job experience and some skills to help you grow. Students, you should always remember that choosing the right either makes or breaks everything. So आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है इस स्टेज पर कि आप एक राइट करियर पाथ चूज करें अपने अच्छे ब्राइट फ्यूचर के लिए. For this, I am presenting the list of some professional courses that may help you in choosing the best path for your career. Let's discuss them all in detail. Students, here are some 3 years general degree program that are undergraduate courses often chosen by many students. The first one here is BCom or BCom Honors. BCom is the most suitable course for students, those who prefer bachelor degree through correspondence and distance learning while pursuing vocational courses in regular. The level of academic difficulty associated with this course is not too high. That means it is very relative and easy to go through BCom program and obtain a degree. Also, there are a number of private as well as government institutes offering this course. So, finding a college and getting a seat won't be a too difficult task for students. This should be noted that the course duration is only of 3 years, so students may go for MCom or MBA after completing their BCom. Also, we are having the option of getting job in teaching sector after completing BCom and MCom. There are numerous opportunities for BCom graduates in private as well as in government sector. The next course here is Bachelor of Economics, that is BE. See students, I have mentioned this course here because the commerce students find it relatively easier to deal with economics and take up post related to finance. This is all because you students have studied this subject earlier in your classes. The another course in the sequence is Bachelor of Law, that is LLB. LLB may be an integrated program or it may be continued as separate program. So LLB is a degree that offers students to be influenced as a lawyer or advocate. This course is governed by the Bar Council of India, that is BCI. This program entails the students subjects like family law, constitutional law, property law, company law, administrative law, cyber law, intellectual property rights, and many more on the list. If we talk about the job opportunities, one may start up their own private practice or may work in any firm. And one can also go for higher post of judge by clearing certain competitive examinations. The next course we are going to discuss is Bachelor of Business Administration, that is BBA. BBA is a common choice among students. It is also a 3-year undergraduate program where students obtain an education which is based on the principle of business and its administration. See, students, after completing the BBA program, one may also follow up their course with MBA degree too, and can obtain a good opportunity that is provided by many MNCs. The last but not the least in the list is BMS, that is Bachelor of Management Studies. It is a bachelor's degree undergraduate program that is undertaken to pursue career in business management. See, students, it is a good choice for you as it deals with core management subjects that you have studied earlier in your class 11th and 12th. This course will help you to understand how organizations work and how they are managed. Now we will move on to some professional and leadership managerial skills program. The first one in the list is Chartered Accountancy, that is CA. Students, we all have heard about this course and we all are familiar with this. CA is one of the most famous and best career in commerce. And to pursue this course, the candidate need to register themselves to the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, that is ICAI. And eligibility to perform this course is one should get complete their 12th with at least 50% aggregate marks from any recognized board. Guys, being one of the most prestigious and challenging course in India, it is undeniable part that you can't deny this part that it is one of the most high demand course which gives you very good perks of exposure. Moving on to another course, we are having here Company Secretary or CS. C students for having studying about company. For every company, it is very important to get a CS appointed because a CS is needed for a company to function properly. CS is a course that is under the administration of Institute of Company Secretaries of India, that is ICSI. This institute provides ample of job opportunities to students with inclinations toward theoretical courses in law. Students generally choose this course as their career options. Like CA course, it also has levels to clear each time. This course provides an understanding of legal purposes and agreements of companies. The last one here is Cost and Management Accountant, that is CMA. CMA is generally a course that is similar to CA and CS. The curriculum is a foundation of different levels for students to clear rounds. It is one of the attractive and emerging courses that are available and is high in demand. The duration of this course depends on the aptitude and caliber of the candidate. See, the thing notable here is people often get confused with ICWAI and ICMAI. To remove all your doubts and confusions, let me tell you that there is no difference except the name. The institute, that is ICWAI, has changed its name to ICMAI. So we can say that the course, which was earlier recognized as CWA, is now renamed as CMA. So don't get confused with the names. So these were some courses that were make known to you. This was a small effort by us for helping you in deciding the upright course for your career path. If you are interested in detailed analysis of some more good and valuable professional courses that one may pursue after class 12 schooling, the next section of our upcoming video will be of much use to you. In the next section, I have listed and analyzed some very popular as well as interesting courses, which not only will offer you good job scope, but will also help one to scale up their career ladder smoothly. Students, you may also follow us on Instagram page for more updates. We will love to hear from you. Thank you for watching us.